Okay, we're 147 at the next pole down the line. Probably even more noise here. Following the line. Going back to that other noisy pole, so it's even more. Past the pole. Goes a bit quieter down there. Let's try up at 147. We're on 147 AM, we'll go to 440 AM. Now we're on 440. Bit of noise there. Change polarity. Bit of noise. Quiet. Bit of noise. Quiet. So this pole's noisy. Not quite as bad as the last one. But you need to check it on the higher frequency to see that it is still coming from here. So we've got 2 or 3 poles to let the electricity company know are noisy, and we'll see if their equipment can find it.